Dear students, this is the third video which I am going to construct is hyperbola. Already we have seen ellipse, parabola. Now we are going to see hyperbola. So this is the question: construct hyperbola when the distance of the focus from the directrix is equal to 50 mm and eccentricity is 3 by 2. So here the numerator is higher, denominator is smaller. So if you are dividing this value, you will get 1 above. So which is eccentricity greater than 1 is hyperbola. Okay, so we are taking the given data value. So after that, the same procedure which is following, draw and vertical straight line by using the scale. Draw a vertical straight line which is called directrix. After taking midpoint, draw an axis line. Now I am going to show how we are going to mark this point. Before going to this, you have to for ellipse and hyperbola, this calculation part must, which is easy for understanding. Okay, so that's why I mark here. You also do the same. So now after the procedure, after the drawing this vertical straight line and axis line, next you are going to mark the focus which is 50 mm from C. Okay, so now I am marking this focus which is 50 mm. Yes, this is focus. So after that, what I am going to do is, this numerator is 3 by 2, ratio 3 by 2. So I am adding this 3 plus 2, 5. This is the procedure, same procedure for whatever the value given there. So now I am going to do is just split the line into 5, which is easy for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the value is 5, the total distance is 50. So each divisions 1 centimeter. So which is easy. So after that, what you are going to do is you have to find the vertex. So how we are going to find the vertex, which is same as ellipse? Take the numerator value. Don't take the denominator value. Please watch once again. Take the numerator value. Here the numerator is 3. I mark this 3 from focus, which I take this as 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is my vertex. Clear? So take from here focus. So the distance from here is 3. So and then the same procedure which is following for as ellipse and then parabola. Dear students, now we are seeing the basic construction which is following the same procedure. The drawing the directrix axis, after that taking the center portion, midpoint, finding the vertex, after drawing that governing line. The next one we are going to cut an arc, the basic procedure. For the starting, just take the distance from focus to vertex and just cut an simple arc. So after that, what you are going to do is just find the measure the distance from 2 to P2, 2 to P2, just transferring this point from here to focus and cut an arc. The arc should be very thin and it should be visible for you only, no need to darken that. So after that, measure the distance from 3 to P3, following the same procedure, cut an arc. It's enough. So after that, measuring the distance from P4 to 4, which is done here, and take the arc. So after 5, measuring the distance and take focus as center, just cut an arc. So after that, 6. For this hyperbola, just take 6 points is enough. That means 6 divisions is enough, no need to draw more than 6. Okay, measuring the distance here, transferring the distance to focus and just cut and simple arc. So this is very simple. After that, what you are going to do is just cut and just mark this intersecting point. Okay, just connect the points only, no need to connect the arc, just connect the points. Okay, so here also we are going to do the same. Plot the point first, which is easy for you. Please follow this procedure. Just connect the points. Okay, this is very easy for you. So this is simple construction of hyperbola, and you are going to give the name Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. So the next procedure, you will very well aware of that. Just draw the normal and tangent. So very simple. Here I am doing the same procedure. Just take the center point as focus and draw a line to directrix and any point on the curve. So now I am marking here. So after that, I am going to draw a straight line which will not penetrate inside the curve, it will pass through the curve. This line tangent. Okay, so this is the marking point. So through the point 90 degree, one straight line I am going to draw, which is normal. Okay, so the one more procedure, you're going to mark the focus distance. So this is 50 mm. Mark the dimension. This is must. So closed with filled arrowhead, it is must. Don't draw the open arrowhead. Closed with filled arrowhead and mark the distance as 50 mm. You must mention here as mm, millimeter. Okay, this is the procedure for drawing hyperbola. Thank you.